Shop Solutions real-time job costing gives you up-to-the-minute visibility into your job profitability during production and after as well. You can sort and filter all the data related to your jobs to find out what you want to see. You can quickly see your estimated dollars and hours compared to your actual dollars and hours for your jobs for all costs such as labor, material, and outside services. You can filter out the winners and focus on the losers. Where are we in trouble? You can quickly identify your estimates versus actuals and which jobs may be in trouble, labor versus material, etc. If you want details, drill down and check it out.